Hi, this is a quick update on my Zevo Flying Insect Trap. A couple of months ago, I bought one, and you can see now I have two. I've tried placing them in different places around the house, but this seems to be the best spot for them right here in my front room. Next to our sliding door, we live in the desert, and we attract a lot of insects. First, it was just little gnats. Even the lizards like being by our door because they catch so many insects. So about 3 weeks ago, I put new refills in these traps, and then I kind of wanted to see how full they would get at the same time. So here we go. Looking at this first one, you can see, yuck, a lot of insects have been caught here. The moths make it kind of smudgy. And then the other one, not as many, but still quite a few insects for just 3 week time period. So I'm going to go ahead and replace them and then set them back out. I use these refills that you order separately, actually, and yeah, really super easy to replace. You just slide out the nasty one and throw that in the trash. And these come in a pack of 2, the refills, and they're only about $7, so kind of expensive but worth it. And then you just pull off the strip from the back of the new one. It's really sticky, so you want to make sure you keep your fingers off the glue part of it, and then just slide it right back in, and you're all set. I'm really loving these Zevo traps. Like I say, I already have 2, and I'm really considering buying another one for the garage. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.